Here question number 4 is, if A equals to set containing elements 1 2 and B equals to set containing elements 3 4, find Cartesian product A cross B, B cross A, and so that A cross B is not equals to B cross A. Here we have written these given sets. Then A cross B we have found like this: 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. B cross A 3 1 3 2 4 1 4 2, like this. And from these two we can see that their first element is 1 3 and here 3 1, means these are not equal, so this A cross B not equals to B cross A is true. In question number 5, these two are given sets. From this given set we have to find Cartesian product P cross Q and Q cross P, as here you can see. Then we have to prove that this P cross Q is not equals to Q cross P. We have found this P cross Q by writing this first set P, then Q, then AX, AY, AZ, AX, AY, AZ, then BX, BY, BZ. And here XA, XB, YA, YB, ZA, ZB. From these two we can see these two sets are not equal, and hence it is proved. In question number 6, given sets are A equals to 2 5 and B equals to 1 4, and we have to find Cartesian product A cross B and B cross A and represent them in Cartesian plane. Here A cross B is 2 1 2 4 5 1 5 4, and B cross A is 1 2 1 5 4 2 4 5, and this we have to represent in Cartesian plane. For that we have to draw Cartesian plane. At first we have to draw rough sketch for Cartesian plane. Here 2 and 5 means maximum 5 is on x-axis and maximum 4 is on y-axis, and this side we don't need, so I have not drawn here. And for this B cross A is this side and 5 is this side. Now here A cross B is 2 1 2 1 is here, then 2 4 2 1 2 3 4 is here, 5 1 5 4 5 1 5 4. This is completed. Now here is 1 2 1 5 and 4 2 4 and 2 here, and 4 5 4 5. So this much. Question number 7 is, if M is a set containing elements -2 3 and N containing 4 -1, find M cross N and N cross M and represent them in Cartesian plane. There are these two given sets, and M cross N, first M set, then N set, then Cartesian product is -2 4 -2 -1 3 4 3 -1. And for this first N set is written, then M set, Cartesian product is 4 -2 4 3 -1 -2 -1 3. And for Cartesian plane, for this M cross N we have drawn this rough sketch, and for N cross M we have drawn this rough sketch, so that it will be easier to draw Cartesian plane. Here in X element, maximum number towards negative side is -2 and towards positive side is 3, and for Y positive is 4 and negative is -1. And for this maximum positive number for x-axis is 4 and maximum negative number for x-axis is -1, and for y-axis maximum positive number is 3 here and maximum negative number is -2. So Cartesian product is like this. And for plotting we have -2 4 -2 4, then -2 -1 -2 -1 here, then 3 4 3 4 and 3 minus 1. In this way we have completed this. And for this 4 minus 2, here 1 2 3 4 minus 2 is here, and 4 3 4 3 here, then minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 is here, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 3 is here. In this way we have completed plotting n cross m also.